Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a floating effect in Capcut in just 1 minute. Let's get started. First, open Capcut and create a new project. Import your main video or background clip along with the image you want to apply the floating effect to. Next, drag your image onto the timeline above your main video. Make sure it's placed correctly where you want the floating effect to occur. Now, let's add some movement to the image. Select the image, go to Animation at the bottom, and choose the Slide Up animation. To create the floating effect, we'll use the pendulum effect. Go to Effects, find Pendulum, and apply it to your image. Finally, adjust the settings of the pendulum effect to fine-tune the floating motion. You can tweak the speed and intensity to get the desired floating effect. And there you have it. A quick and easy floating effect in Capcut in just 1 minute. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.